Whenever we need information about anything, we go to Google. So, whenever we type the keywords to get information about anything, those keywords are called informational keywords. As an SEO expert, how will you use informational keywords? And if you are a blogger, then how do you use informational keywords? And how are they different from other types of keywords like transactional keywords, commercial keywords, and navigational keywords? We will know all this in today's video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Today we are going to talk about informational keywords. As the name suggests, these are the keywords that are used to get information about anything or to do a general query about anything. Before this, we have also understood other types of keywords where we talked about transactional keywords, commercial keywords, navigational keywords, and we also understood how we can use them. If you have not seen that videos, then you will get a playlist link from the description box from where you can watch complete SEO videos. Make sure you don't miss any video because in every video I have given you some information which can be very useful for you. Now the question is, how do we recognize that this keyword is our informational keyword and this is not our informational keywords? See, it has a simple logical way. You will have to understand the intention of the audience. You will have to understand the thought of the audience. That whenever a person is typing such a keyword, what is the intention of his or her? Whether he wants whether he wants to take some information, or he wants to do a commercial query, or he wants to do a transaction, or he wants to go direct on a particular website. So it is important to understand the intention of the user. By the way, I give you some hints that such keywords are mostly asked questions. For example, what is SEO? What is digital marketing? I am simply finding out what the audience is asking for information. Same with if a person is saying how to cook biryani, so what is that person asking for? He is asking for a query. He is asking for information that how to cook biryani. If you are a blogger, then informational keywords will work for you. You have to search for informational keywords related to your niche. You can use these informational keywords to decide different topics that you should make a blog on this topic, or you can also decide the recipe of the blog that what people are searching for. I should write a blog on that topic or not. So informational keywords are very important for blogging. And along with that, the commercial websites or the services that are being provided, I will not say that information keywords are important for them, because there we do not know the intention of the audience, whether they are going to take any real action or not. It means that they want to make a transaction or not. Like if a person typed what is the price of Ferrari, then we cannot expect that person to really want to buy Ferrari. We can only say that that person wants to know the price of Ferrari. That is, somewhere there is an informational keyword. But it would be wrong to say that if we are a commercial website, we have a commercial website, or if we have a service or product on our website, then we will not use informational keywords. No, I am not saying this at all. We will use them in a way, but we will first focus on transactional and commercial, from where our audience intention is very clear that they want to buy something. Rather than, we will not take risk or on informational keywords. But if there is a topic on which you are not getting keywords, then we will consider informational keywords. Now viewers, I have a small task, that you will tell me an example of an informational keyword in the comment section. I will be waiting. Treat these classes videos in the same way as if you are taking a real class, because if you practice with me, then your practice will be even better. Your preparation will be even better. So make sure you tell me in the comment section any transactional keyword, informational keywords, sorry. If you have learned anything from this video, then don't forget to like the video. This is an important thing for me. And subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any video. And if you have any query or question, you can tell me in the comment section. That's all from today's video, viewers. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.